Yes, this is not clickbait. I'm going to be deleting a lot of my videos from this channel. But let me explain. Now, this is a message to all of my subscribers who are already subscribed here. Some people are here for the cocktail content. Some people are here for the flair content. And that's mixing things up and not helping out the YouTube algorithm. So to make sure that you're getting the content which you want by subscribing to my channel, all of the cocktail related videos from this channel are going to be moved to Tom's Cocktails. That's right. So if you're here for cocktails, then make sure you are clicking up there, go and subscribe to Tom's Cocktails. You'll find all my cocktail related videos up there over the next coming weeks or months. This channel is going to be dedicated to flair bartending techniques, whether it's craft flair, exhibition flair, working flair, fun flair, serious flair, whatever kind of flair bartending techniques there is going to be over here. And sometimes I'm going to link the two channels together. So you'll see a video coming soon of 2 beetroot margaritas on the cocktail channel, and then on my flair channel I'll be showing you some of the moves in that video and teaching them on this channel. Exactly, exciting times. So that is my little update for you. I hope that's not gonna scare people too much. I hope that's gonna help you out. I'm hoping that you're gonna be able to find the content that you need from me by staying subscribed to this channel or moving your subscription over to the cocktail channel or staying on both. Whatever suits you. But thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate every single one of my subscribers. I hate to lose them, but I want to make sure that you are getting the content which you need, that I'm giving you the content that you need, and that everybody's happy so that we can move forward together. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, here's an elbow store. Still got it. Oh, yes, yes. Keep it going.